How do I switch SIM cards between phones?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to switch SIM cards between phones. If you're looking to transfer your SIM card to a new device, this guide is for you. Let's get started.
Understanding SIM cards.
Before we dive into the process, let's quickly understand what a SIM card is. SIM stands for Subscriber Identity Module, and it's a small, removable card that stores important information about your cellular service. It contains your unique subscriber details, such as your phone number, carrier information, and sometimes even contacts and text messages.
Checking compatibility.
The first step in switching SIM cards is to ensure that the SIM card you want to use is compatible with the new phone. Most modern smartphones use nano SIM cards, but there are also micro SIM and standard SIM cards. Check the specifications of both your current and new phones to determine the type of SIM card they require.
Power off your phones.
Before you begin the transfer process, make sure to power off both your old and new phones. This ensures that you won't damage the SIM card or the devices during the switch.
Locate the SIM card slot.
Now, let's locate the SIM card slot on both phones. The exact location may vary depending on the device, but in general, you'll find it on the side or top of the phone. Look for a small tray or a slot with a pinhole.
Remove the SIM card.
Using a SIM card ejector tool or a small paper clip, insert the tool into the pinhole on the SIM card slot. Apply gentle pressure until the tray pops out. Carefully remove the SIM card tray and take out the SIM card from your old phone.
Insert the SIM card.
Take the SIM card tray from your new phone and insert the SIM card into the designated slot. Make sure the gold contacts on the SIM card align with the contacts on the phone. Gently push the tray back into the slot until it clicks into place.
Power on your phones.
Once the SIM card is securely inserted, power on your new phone. It may take a few moments for the device to recognize the SIM card and establish a connection with your carrier. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. And there you have it. You've successfully switched the SIM card between your phones. Remember, always ensure compatibility, power off your devices, and handle the SIM card with care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.